Are you looking for the best of the Ugga Duggas? In this video, we will look at some of the best of the Ugga Duggas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand Half-Inch Impact Wrench. Manufacturer: Ingersoll Rand. Drive size: a half-inch. Torque output: 1,350 pound-feet. It's hard to top Ingersoll Rand when it comes to air impacts, which is why you'll find it in professional and D shops. This particular impact is capable of delivering 1,350 pound-feet of nut-busting torque and operates at around 103.6 ba. For reference, it's a little more powerful and quiet than some tool truck impacts, but comes in at a lower price and has a similar 2-year warranty. The 4-position power regulator gives you the means to control torque, so you don't blast delicate projects to bits. While this is a quality tool, that price is still something to warm up to. Many wrenchers are going to favor something else for the home shop because of it. Also, the ergonomics of this tool needs improvement, as some reviewers report it is uncomfortable to handle. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand 36QMAX, a half-inch impact wrench. Manufacturer: Ingersoll Rand. Drive size: a half-inch. Torque output: 650 pound-feet. The Ingersoll Rand 36QMAX is the impact to call on when you realize that you don't need maximum tightening for every fastener and favor a more manageable package. It's still got plenty of juice with a rating to dish out 650 pound-feet. It's just more enjoyable to use all day because of its lightweight and compact size. The smaller package also makes it a far better choice in tight spaces. And because it's an IR tool, the quality and 2-year warranty is there to keep your mind at ease. There does seem to be an issue with quality control, as a few users complain about low power output and premature failure. Also, it's worth pointing out that, though this isn't the most expensive entry from the brand, you can buy similarly powered and packaged impacts for less. If you're willing to take a slight hit in the quality and performance departments. Number 3. Aircat Nitrocat 3/8-inch Extreme Power Impact Wrench. Manufacturer: Aircat. Drive size: 3/8-inch. Torque output: 700 pound-feet. High price point. Socket retention system can see improvements. The Nitrocat impact is the way to go if you need a little more oomph from a 3/8-inch drive. This mighty tyke is ready to send 700 pound-feet of torque through those medium fasteners that are standing between you and relaxation. That's a lot of juice for a little tool, but it stays quiet at around 86 ba. Like the previous Aircat tool mentioned, this too has great ergonomics and incorporates the directional switch into the power selector. It also has the same 3-year warranty to ease your mind. What's not to like about this tool is its high price point, which surpasses many a half-inch impacts on the market. Also, the socket retention system is a source of problems for many users, with some complaints